Hello everyone, welcome to online computer classes. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Let's begin our today's topic. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for new notifications. Class 8. Our today's topic is Image and Links. Part 3. In this, we are going to discuss question answers that is given in your textbook. Let's start. So let's start discussing answer the following questions. This is a book exercise D part I am discussing with you. So my dear students, you have to write these question answers in your notebook. These answers I am discussing here is just for your reference. You can take the help and write it in your own words. So let's start. The first question is, what is the purpose of src attribute in the image tag? Src is source, where you specify the source of the image. So let's see the answer. As you all know, src is the most important attribute of the image tag. It is used to give the complete path URL. What is URL? Uniform Resource Locator, or the file name of the image to be inserted on the web page. So this attribute is used to give the file name or the path of the image that you want to insert on the web page. I hope this answer is clear to you. Very good. Now the second question. What is the use of height and width attribute of the image tag? Simple. Height and width attribute of image tag is used to resize the inserted image on the web page. Whatever the image we are inserting, we can change the size of that image using height and width attribute. In that, we can specify in pixel or in percentage wise according to our wish. Fine. Now the next question. Question number 3. What do you mean by linking? We are linking the web pages. You remember I have shown you also. Linking is a connection from one web resource to another. From the term it is clear that two web pages are being linked, right? Name the attribute of anchor tag. Also mention the purpose of each attribute. Now before I goes to the attribute, I would like you to emphasize on the term anchor tag. This is the tag which is used for the linking purpose, and this tag have this many attributes. First one is href. It specifies the URL of the page that link will take, where the link will go. So that has been specified by href. Name, it specifies the name of anchor. Title, it provides the additional information about the link. Target, it specifies where to open the linked document. Clear? My dear students, you have to write the answer in a tabular format only, the way I have done. Fine? Now the next question is, can you use an image as a hyperlink? If yes, give the syntax. Yes, we can of course use an image as a hyperlink. This means instead of a text written, an image is there on the web page, and on clicking that image you are redirected to another web page. This can be done. So this is the answer. This is the way an image is used as hyperlink. Fine. Now let's see the syntax. AHREF. What is a? Anchor tag. Equals to double quotes add link. Here you have to write the link. You will not be writing this add link. Rather, in practical application, you will be writing the actual link of the web page you want to link with the previous page. Means two pages you are linking with each other. So where the image is present, here you have to write the link of the another page. Clear? Image src equals to path of the image you have to copy. Whichever image you want to insert on your web page, you have to write that path of the image, right? And on clicking that image, you will be redirected to that page whose link you have been inserted here in the add link option. I hope the thing is now clear to you. Fine. And this is, we have closed the anchor tag. Clear? The next question. What is a hyperlink? Hyperlink is a text which is highlighted or an image which stores the address of other web page. So this is what hyperlink text. Whatever the link we will write here, this will be the hyperlink text. Fine. Seventh question. What is the use of anchor tag? Anchor tag is used to create a hyperlink to the another web page. This is anchor tag. It is a container tag. Why? Because we are closing this tag. Fine. So now I hope the thing you understand. Once again I am repeating, you can write the answers in your own word also, but this discussion will help you to understand the technicality and the approach of writing the answers. So my dear student, thank you and have a nice day.